So now what? You there? I'm here. Still selling dope cause you think it's cool? Me? Smoking on the line cause you made me fool? Gotta keep the daily job. Don't worry, I'll retire soon. But watch how I'll make it look so real. Got you thinking I'm the realest. Walking on the thin line, confident, conceited. It ain't for you to judge. Watch what I gotta do. See you got a lot of money. But wait, what's the strings for? Who pulling it? Got you looking like Pinocchio girl. Did you shoot your titties? Get a record for it? Congrats. I bet you can't afford a family. Instead got a bunch of swag buddies. Nah, I mean fuck buddies. Ha. No, don't hate, appreciate. Like you said, it's all just part of the game. We all play. What's all work and no play? I got you. I know. But I'm no featherweight. I'm playing with the heavyweight. 6'3", 270. Yeah, I'm here to play. You got my mama saying, no, mijo, this is not a game. So what happens if I don't play? Then I get played by the six banks and the creature, the leader. But like I said, appreciate, don't hate. I understand we had to start somewhere. Started negative, time to turn it positive. If you don't like it, fuck it. What you think you had, your throne forever? Never. Just look at Rome, you dumb fuck. You're old school. Your boy wearing skirts, calling the man number one. You mad, bro? I do give you credit. He did psych me. I thought he was the number one puppet friend. But I guess he was too cheap, so cheap. So you bought yourself one with the suit and tie. So now what? You hate me? 3 days ago, you didn't even know me. Why you scared, homie? If you only knew me, I don't hate or take, but I do appreciate. This life gave it to me. This pussy God wanna be, attack me from behind. Never saw it coming. 3 years, I was dazed and confused, only going through the motions. Well, let me thank you, putting me in motion. But now, with all this commotion, got other puppeteers, puppets, hating. Dude, quit wasting. I don't fuck with dumb fucks who go for the homeless look. Good job, rappers, you aced it. Cause your room was taken and you sold it. And me, I'm doing good. I'm no rapper. I'm just so sick that my shit need a doctor. I remember teachers saying, better study your vocabulary or you will end up pushing shovels. But thank you for your consideration. But now, I'm pushing men, pushing shovels. It's all for the love of the game. No, I don't want the fame. Keep it all. The money, the cars, everything. Just please give the freedom back to my brothers and sisters. I ain't here to start World War III. I'm here to end it. Please don't get me wrong. I know what I fight for. Good. Cause whatever the weather, Batman forever. I know I don't need no gadgets. No Batman mobile. I just need the good spirit of humanity. The good one. Then you ask, what am I doing here? Don't you see the Illuminati? It's just a big distraction. Little do you know, I'm just using y'all to get to the main attraction. Just watch me put it down for my town, even Chinatown. I have no place, person with the crown. They are clowns. Watch me put my love for the game. So now what, bro? I asked for what you wanted. Why am I still being wanted? Just let me be. About to have a family of 3. See, right now, just ain't got time for you pussies. I see you at Armageddon. Just can't believe you actually think you have a chance. Bring all your nukes, everything. One finger's all he needs. About to feel the wrath, boy, you gonna get it bad. D-Ray out.